To check your transaction history on Scribie, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Login. Visit the Scribie website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. This is where you can find various options related to your account. Step 3. Navigate to the Transactions section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your transaction history. In the Transaction section, you will see a list of all your past transactions. You can check the dates, amounts, and statuses of each transaction. Step 5. Download or export if needed. If you need a record of your transaction history, look for an option to download or export the information. This may be available in formats like PDF or CSV. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Scribie. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Scribie support for assistance.